Thanks for joining us on LifePluz. It's March 4th. We've collected COVID-19 headlines from across the globe to keep you in the know. According to worldometers.com, the current coronavirus case count stands at 92,880, with deaths of 3,168, recovered cases 48,494. Here are 10 of the latest headlines. Coronavirus deaths in the US rise to 6, with researchers warning the virus could have been circulating in the community for weeks, as more countries around the world report their first case of the disease on Monday. As the deadly coronavirus spreads to every continent except Antarctica and the death toll climbs above 3,000, scientists and doctors around the world are rushing to find a way to cure the disease before it infects more people and poses an even bigger challenge to global health. China looks to the recovered to develop an effective COVID-19 treatment. Scott Morrison calls for calm as coronavirus prompts panic buy at supermarkets in Australia, and they expect to replenish stock quickly amid a rush on essentials and canned food. There are now 7 cases of the novel coronavirus in Ecuador, the country's Minister of Health announced late Monday. Currently, there are 177 people under observation due to their interaction with the first Ecuadorian carrier of the virus. India will now be screening passengers from 12 countries for the coronavirus on arrival in the country, according to Health Minister Harsh Vardhan. Citizens have been advised to avoid non-essential travel to South Korea, Iran, Italy, and Japan. While new cases in China continue to decline, according to its latest numbers as of March 2nd, which showed 125 new confirmed cases and 31 more deaths. The virus continues spreading fast in South Korea, Iran, and Italy, prompting increased travel warnings and restrictions. All around the world, people are changing their daily habits at work and at home to reduce the risk of contracting the coronavirus and to prevent it from spreading. Health officials suggest a wave, a pat on the back, or even a look in the eye are safer alternatives. Hong Kong will bring back 533 citizens from Wuhan. The flight will return to Hong Kong on Wednesday and Thursday, said Lam, adding that all passengers on the flights will face a 14-day quarantine upon their arrival. The death toll from Italy's coronavirus outbreak has risen to 52, an increase of 18 since Sunday, as the numbers of confirmed cases in Europe's worst hit country rose to 1,835. The NBA has told players to avoid high-fiving fans and strangers and avoid taking any items for autograph, the league's latest response in its ongoing monitoring of the coronavirus crisis that has spread to most corners of the planet. That's all the headlines that we have at the moment. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we'll do our best to get back to you wherever you are in the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, and take care.